Back on our banger video. Today we're gonna be using a jet boat out in a puddle up front, kind of ish, where my yard is. So we're first gonna put everything in the jet boat, so we'll do that now. And yeah, so let's get started. First, I gotta clear off this table because it is very dirty. Let my little engine there. Anyway, this is a plane and it's currently in parts, as you can see here. But oh, there's the power pod. Great. Yeah, beautiful plane. Video coming on that pretty soon. So yeah, pretty simple, you know. Room. Time lapse. Everything's ready to go. The boat seems to be working good, so now I just gotta throw it in the water and see what happens. Alright, we're outside, obviously, and the puddle's just over there. It's not the best puddle, but there's enough so we can drive around in circles, and it's a jet boat, so it should be available to do it. But I don't know how well the filming's gonna be with this, because I have to drive and film somehow, so we're gonna have to see. Jet boat there chilling with some spiders, and here's the puddle. So it's not too bad, actually. It's a little deep for sure. But yeah, it'll be challenging to get through here, and jet boat time. Just scanning it, and there's the deepest end is right up here. Like right here, this is not good for the jet boat because it will get stuck. Or, well, maybe we'll find out. So, yep. Alright. On the plus side, we might be moving, so I might have an actual pond, so that would be nice. Always turn the radio on first. Would be smart. Yeah, we got some crappy steering the one way. I gotta fix that. But for now, it should be fine. Alright, sounds like we're good to go. Moment of truth. Any leaks? Might be a small leak there in here, but seems to be floating okay. Alright, you guys, please don't fall. It's deep that way. We are having problems already. Alright, there's just some leaves in the way. We're good now. We don't have reverse in the boat. I don't know what's wrong with it. something about the prop not moving, so let's go fix it. So I think my coupler came loose, so we're gonna pull all that stuff off and see why it's not moving like it's supposed to, because this had a lot of power in the hot tub, so there's no reason for the puddle not to do anything different. And we're gonna do time lapse. The camera did cut, but there's a big problem. First off, I can't get the shaft out of the motor. I don't know the technical name for it. I don't know if there's a technical name for it. Two, there are weeds inside of the jet part, which is bad, or more in this case, grass, not weeds, which is bad. I had to take the motor all off, and it took me ages to get the motor in, so we're not going to do it today. That's going to be a next video. I'll post that pretty soon when there's probably a big puddle up front. Yeah, because it's going to take me a long time, and I don't really have the time today because the sun's going down and stuff like that. But other than that, I hope that was the problem, because that's the only theoretical thing I could come with it not moving. Because we all saw it worked in the hot tub fine. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Leave a like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. And yeah, I guess that's it. Leave a like and subscribe. Did I say that? I don't know. Go now. Bye.